So let's discuss what is an AI agent. Imagine when you hire an assistant, you tell them things like, for example, your job is to parse through these documents, arrange them in order of importance and urgency, prepare short summaries for each, and add those summaries to my to do list. Now imagine if you could hire an assistant who's tireless, works 24/7, and never takes a day off. That's what an AI agent is. The key difference between a basic AI assistant and an AI agent is autonomy. So while a normal assistant may respond to your commands, an agent can initiate actions and make decisions on its own to complete a task. For example, if you ask basic AI to find me a good hotel stay deal, it might give the link to a search engine or maybe a website. An AI agent, on the other hand, would take the initiative to search for hotels, compare prices and facilities, and present you with the best option, and maybe even book the night for you with your permission. So the core components of an AI agent are: number one, perception. Perception is the ability to take in information from the environment. This could be user input, data from an application programming interface, sensor readings from a robot, or a web search result. The second core component is memory. So every AI agent has the capacity to store and recall information. This includes a short-term working memory for the current task and a long-term memory to learn from past experiences. The third key concept is reasoning or planning. This is the brain of the agent. This is where it breaks down a complex goal into smaller, actionable steps. It uses its perception and memory to figure out the best course of action. And finally, action. This is the ability for the AI agent to interact with the world. Not only can an AI agent just talk, it can also use tools like a web browser, a code interpreter, or a specific software API to get things done. So, in essence, an AI agent is a dynamic problem solver that can adapt and learn to reach its goals. Now, let's look at a practical example: an AI agent managing a smart home. Imagine this house filled with connected devices. Each of these devices generates data and can perform actions. Now, instead of manually controlling each one through different apps, which we currently do, let's say that we have an AI agent acting as the central brain. This agent perceives the environment through these connected devices. It knows the current temperature from the thermostat, detects motion through the security cameras, understands lighting levels, and it also learns your preferences over time. And based on this understanding, the AI agent can make intelligent decisions and take actions autonomously. For instance, let's say it detects that you are away, it might automatically lower the thermostat to save energy. Similarly, if it's getting dark outside and late at night, the agent could gradually dim the lights, creating a comfortable ambience without you having to lift a finger. It can even turn on sprinkler depending on weather patterns. For example, if there has been a bit of a dry spell during the last 2 days, it may need to turn it on a bit more. It can even schedule the robotic vacuum to clean while you're out, ensuring a tidy home when you return. So essentially, so essentially, you can think of AI agents as smart, powerful, autonomous systems that can not only learn, they can also make intelligent decisions. And in this course, we'll be leveraging these concepts and we're going to design AI agents that will help us automate tasks end to end in different contexts.